In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Cengage promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Cengage promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one right here with 25% of discount, all you have to do is select this offer right here. And this is a promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website which is called couponburst.com, and right here you also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 10% of discount, all you have to do is simply tap on this promotion, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.